And welcome to Alphone. I am now going to show you the best strategy for 2024. The reason I can say that is because I've been trading this strategy myself for 2 years trading live. And also in my live session I have been testing other strategies just to make sure that I always have the best one. So I'll now share that with you. But before I do that, make sure you like this video. You help me tremendously just by liking this video. Also make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video from me, because yes, I do trade live 1 hour a day, Monday to Friday. So if you want to trade together with me, make sure you do so. Also, make sure you sign up with this broker. You find the link below the video. You also get a promo code included in the link. So basically just need to use the link, and if you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra on your first deposit. So make sure you do that. Okay, now I will show you the strategy and I hope you enjoy. So let's see if we can find a beautiful trade. I think I see something right on the bat. I like an entry more or less in that region. Let's see, I will put one more extra line. So if you can get an entry in between these two lines there, that could be a nice area of a trade. Also, we can make an extra line. So we make ourselves a small zone here now. If we come above this area there, we can turn that into red, and there we're in there. So that now we can just sit and wait, and we will get our $92 profit. So just wait and see. So this is basically how I trade. It's super easy. Our win rate with this strategy is 7-8 wins out of 10 trades. This is based on 2 years of trading binary option live. So now let's see. I see we could have got a little better entry on top, but I see all close below it. So now let's see. This is how easy I can get $92 in just 1 minute. Talking about the entry, of course, this will be more like a 3-minute thing, but still, $92 that fast, because when I trade myself, of course, I'm not talking to myself in one and a half minute and then take a trade. So there you can see, there you have it, sweet $92 profit. So if you want to do what I'm doing, you can trade live together with me. Like I said, I trade Monday to Friday live. So make sure you subscribe, turn the bell notification on, and also sign up for this broker. You'll find the link below the video, and make sure you deposit more than $100 so you get your 50% extra. Okay? So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.